guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jade Smart again. Welcome to Jade Smart TV. And for today's video, we are going to play the Mouse House. And our task here is to escape and avoid. I just died with this one banana um, because I don't know and I don't expect if I just died. Okay, so our target for today's video is to collect all the 16 VHS. But before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and help me to reach more followers, guys. Awa kayo. Okay. Oops. Oops. Okay. Okay. Ski. Saan pagkuha sa key? Click the key. Okay. Saan man eh? Asa ang door? Okay. Natay isa. Okay. Ah! Orange. Orange key. Asa mo na pangitao na? Ah! Ah! Daghan na pong kilo diri eh. So na tay green key and also red key. So let's go guys. Let's scroll again. I hope. Woo! Purple. Wala pa tayo purple. So many bitches. Kinana tayo duha guys. Yellow na tayo yellow. Wala. Kinana tayo isa ka mouse trap. Ay ay dito pwede. Dito mag ano. Dito mangilabot og laing prayer guys kay bad. Wee! Tagan tagan tagan. Tagan! Patay ko. Kung mag-revive ko. Okay. Dito. Mana mo ko to eh. Asa naman ta padungan eh. Nang nanta maka. Let's manam ko diri. Patay! Hapit! tayo pat. Kita pataglain. Okay. So na natin lima. At mo si Civil. Tayo talon. Sige naman ako balik-balik tari. Hello guys. Tayo gani kayo ko na damay. It's over, it's over. Why it's over? There's a key. We have the white key. So we have 16 na. 16 na to na collect guys. Patay to na. Ito. Yee, kadlok. Atay. Adi lagi tama. Di na tama ko na. Pa-revive ta kay. Inangon tag ano, reset kita. Ay, kasayang. So dapod. So guys, moto, this is our first attempt with the mouse house. So um for more videos guys that you will able to check if na makomplete ko ba tong 16 on my next video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.